Well, good morning, everybody. You joined me at about 2 minutes to 7, and we're off to the car boot. I think today, actually, I'm going to go to both of them. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to treat one as just like my ability to make a couple TikTok vids, and then I'm going to do the other one just to make some YouTube content, just to make purely today's video just a complete car boot excavation. So you're going to join me at A47. I don't think I'm gonna bring you to the first one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna basically use this experiment. I'm gonna go to Quorn, which is my near local, go to that one, turn that inside out through TikTok and through that content, then shoot up to A47, make some content there for YouTube, and just have that two separation. So in terms of an intention for today, like anything I'm hoping for, not really, just in all honesty, I'm just hoping for some good conversations and good interactions, and that will sort of, let me go and get my work keys actually, so that I can pass work. You know, that'll be my sort of thing. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna literally go, I'm gonna go to the first one, go and grab a coffee afterwards, and then go to the next one. You know, you'll probably come with me for the coffee bit, and I'll let you know how Quorn actually was. I wasn't actually going to do a little clip now, but I just thought, you know what, while I'm actually here, I thought, actually, let me just turn it around and show you the view that I see down the next bit. I'll just get these two off you if that's all right, my love.
Yeah, lovely, yeah, just a pound then, please.
Perfect. Here's the hangers for you.
Where's that? This one.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, them ones. I think I'm going to cut back to the car, just because, no, what's the time? Hang on. Yeah, now what I'm thinking is like 10 to 8, right? Already spun this one through. And then basically, I'll just go and hit up A47, have a little flutter, see what the crack is there. Yeah, just do that, man. Just do that. I'm actually quite shocked. It's quite warm this morning. But yeah, I'll be honest on the reviews of things. When I'm coming in now, I know that I'm like, do you know, like every time I film, because what I want to say is what's like, I've not executed this. When I'm doing the filming, that t-shirt's sick. It's an old Ramones t-shirt on. Oh man. I've seen people that buy people's t-shirts off their back. I just think that's a mad look if you're doing that. Like, if you're doing that, that's a mad look. No, but what was I going to say? It's just one of those things, like, you come to the car boot with the intention, like, let me show you just like the views, because it's more fun. Surprised with like how many people like you see in a small space of time. Like, just seem like a lot of people that I know, like very quickly after one another. People I know, but also people who like just seeing the content. Like, somebody literally said, I've watched you on YouTube, so big up. Like, I really like, not even to sort of say this in an ungrateful way, but whenever I see someone in person and they say they watch YouTube, I always think, wow, like, because I know that like the YouTube, morning pal, you alright? You don't remember, it was me. He doesn't remember, I'm the one with the black van. He's the guy from last week from where he was just chatting to me outside the van. What was I saying? Yeah, this one was just, to be honest with you, this one's the local one. I just tap into it and get a few bits. Like I get a bag full. Oh mate, I get a bag full. Hang on. I get a bag full, and that's the main thing. Like, just to get some items. Like, because the whole thing of what I said before, the content is the aim of what I have to do is to actually buy. Like, I have to buy bits. I have to do the cycle of like what it is. You know what though? All good. Nearly got killed by his car. I wouldn't have, but yeah, all good. It's just now gonna go and go and rewind in A47. Do this video for this, do the A47, and just keep it moving. Like, no offense, but I'm thinking to make like the next one, like this next field, like let's actually just go for it. Like, let's just try and make some content where I'm going to show you how to make deals with people live. I'm going to show you how to negotiate a better price. I'm going to show you exactly my techniques. Let me just bring you along for that side of it, where you actually see me hustling. Something that happened in that one though Guy was charging 30 quid for a Stone Island Juniors jacket without a CLG code. Long day, Susky. Long day. Don't know, like the weather's. Hang on. It's the front camera's turned now. The weather's really nice this morning. Don't know, just part of me's just like, don't know, just taking in, like, look. Like, the whole scene is just nice, like, just a nice setting, do you know what I mean? Not like, I've not got a problem with filming, that's literally what I'm, oh, sorry, my love. That's what literally I've come here to do anyway. But, do you know what I mean? Just like, I'm like, maybe I'll have a minute where I just walk about. Anyway, let me just show you what's going on, because it looks cooler than just looking at my phone. No, what I was trying to say, actually, is that there's honestly like quite a few different types of people that come to the car boots, genuinely, in terms of like the sellers with clothes. Last time I saw that last week. No, what I was saying is like there's like a complete like mixed clientele of people who will buy who sell clothing. I'm like, honestly, I'm having sensory overload. Look, there's just loads of people, and also Lego head in full effect. And more Harry Potter cushions. You know what I was going to say is, when you come to a car boot, this is another thing that's like quite an interesting thing. And this is like me commenting on the intrusive thoughts. When you're at a car boot, everybody's looking at the people who are potentially going to like come and look at their stuff and come and buy. And as a result, like, it's like every single person has the exact same process. You know, like when you went into like, remember going into like Foot Locker or a Foot Asylum or one of them just shitty shops, if I'm honest, like where you go in and instantly they're just like, hang on. When you go in one and then they're always just like, they're like, oh hi, can I hi, how can I help you and stuff? And it's just like, no, you can't help with anything, but like people will have that mindset, you know what I mean? Sweet. Oh, £5 each is sounding like rich for my blood. But no, don't know. It's just like that momentary sensory overload. Let me just turn it around again, because whoa, check this. Yeah, one thing I wanted to show you is like an example of like speaking to somebody. So maybe what I need to do is let me find somebody at total random. The thing is the success you have with like the conversations is all relative to like what you want your outcome to be, right? You might, like the normal natural progression of things is, right? I'll go down one of these aisles right now and I'll find a stand. I would have looked at the person selling at the stand first, not made a prejudgment, but gone, what sort of vibe is this sort of situation? Is it going to be someone who's going to throw a big price? Someone who's like, you know, whatever. Because sometimes you'll see somebody and you just won't get the right connection. Like, you say something and you go, oh, morning, my love. Or like, hi, you okay? And then someone will go, what? And then you'll go, oh no, I'm off on the wrong foot. Like, this is just somebody who's not like the right vibe sort of thing, do you know what I mean? And like, yeah, loads of people will just like turn their whole heads and like look at you when you're recording on the phone. So who cares? Who gives a shit? But yeah, sorry, again, intrusive thoughts just come through and I'm just like, oh, little England tops inside. That's quite a cool one. Morning, pal, you okay?
Yeah, good mate, yeah.
Not too bad. How much you got on these ones? This one, sorry.
The blue one, £3.
Have you?
Yeah.
Dunno. That's cheap. Oh my god, one sec. Bro's got the actual Ronaldo haircut. Unintentionally, I'm sure. He just literally had the front bit of his hair. That's wild. He had the front bit of his hair, bro. Yeah, to be honest with you, I've got a few denim bits. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm like, I'm not flagging. I'm just walking around like, yo, can I just like sit down and like chill? But then this is the hustle time. So we've got there's like a little polo hanging out here, to be fair, which looks Abercrombie and Fitch. Unfortunately, on that one. Yeah, I don't know. Just listening to Peter Andre right now, just blasting out the speaker. Yeah, nice shirt. So let me just show you this one. I think we found a bootleg Barber. And just like that, it's not the end of the day. It's actually very early in the day. It's about 1 o'clock. This is going to be the last shot of the day. Now I know in this video I've made grand gestures to make like a 40-minute video. And that was part and parcel of the plan. Just because I thought that at the car boots I would have a lot more energy to do it. If I'm being honest with you guys, I think I need to start taking some of my advice with some of the car boot content and having a little bit of like a strategy of a plan of attack. So today went to like 2 different ones. And the first one I sort of said like was going to be purely Instagram. Sorry, not Instagram. It was going to be purely TikTok. And the second car boot was going to be YouTube. started to get a couple YouTube clips typically as I would for the first one, but then on the second one I did a TikTok as well and did a YouTube. I can't even take my own disciplined advice of like just doing it there and there, because I get excited thinking I may as well just get content. So I just need a little bit of like a figuring out time. So yeah, I was gonna make the video a lot longer, but I'm not doing a live today. I'm not going into work. I'm just gonna flipping cool off and just chill, to be honest with you. So I am gonna leave the video here, but appreciate everybody that's been watching them and everybody that's been checking in. So like, big up to you lot. On the cards tomorrow is actually day 1 of 2 of the big streams, where I'm hoping to do 3 streams tomorrow and 2 streams Tuesday, or either or. Basically 5 lots of 2 hours. That's how I'm breaking it down, and that's how I'm going to look at them in a sense, like the effectiveness and the efficiency of it. Because I have sort of been took my finger off the pulse of tilt a little bit, but it's only because you really can't spread yourself too thin on everything. And I think that discipline to kind of go, yeah, you can't spread yourself this thin all the time. Like, you have to be, you know what I mean? You have to like approach things. You have to approach yourself properly and be like, what am I actually able to do? What am I capable to do? And certain times you have to like remove things so that you can improve things. And then when you've improved the things, you can include the things. That's almost how it works. Remove to improve, and then once improved, you include. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of put some videos together. There's that whole thing though, isn't there? It's like in my head, I'm like, maybe I'll just do, like even now I'm just thinking, well, maybe it'll be a long day. Maybe I'll do a live for TikTok, or maybe I'll do a Depop, or maybe I won't do anything and I'll just rest and like, I'll just try and like come back down to a normal center. What I find as well is when I actually do have a little bit of rest, it does charge me up, because I've become very impatient and like I just want to get cracking. But no, all is good, guys. As always, stay safe, stay sustainable, keep doing you, keep watching the videos, keep your hustle, your reselling journey and all those bits, and feel free to drop the comments. Let me know what you want to know, or what I haven't spoke about in a while, whether whatever it is, we can make it possible. So yeah, big love, see you tomorrow.